Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use all gestures and motions on INFINIX Zero 30. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings, then locate special function. Here scroll down and find actions and gestures. Here we can see all of the options available. First one is quick start. Here you'll be able to activate it, and then you can draw different emotions, different patterns on your screen to launch specific apps. So for example, we can draw C to open camera, draw M to open YouTube, and you can assign different functions right here with start app or toggle a function. So now let's try using it. We'll need to lock our device, draw C, and this should launch camera, works fine. Okay, let's move on to tapping wake. Here, when we activate it and lock our device, we can double tap to wake up our screen. Double tap again and it should lock down. Next is music gesture. Here you can activate it and use different gestures to control multimedia on your phone while it's locked. So you can draw, put your finger like this to play previous track, slide your finger like this to play next track, and slide up to pause the music, and slide down to play the music. Next is flip to mute. Here, when you activate it, you can flip your phone screen to the surface to mute all incoming calls, or I think even snooze the alarms. I'm not sure if this will work, but you can try, maybe it will. Next is raise to ear. When you activate it and receive a call, then pick up your phone to your ear and it should answer the call automatically. Lift to wake. When you activate it and lock your device, pick up your phone with a grip and it should wake up without touching any buttons. Then answer calls with gesture. Here you'll be able to answer and decline calls with your hand in front of the camera. So to answer a call, you need to put your two fingers like this, and to reject the call, put your hand like this with the palm open. Last is the screenshots. Right here there's a few different options. So we have a full screen capture. You need to slide your three fingers from top of the screen to take a screenshot. Then there's a partial screenshot. You need to hold your three fingers onto the screen. Scrolling screenshot is long press the power button and volume down button to take a scrolling screenshot. And lastly, drag to delete. Drag the floating window to the bottom of the screen to delete the picture. And keep in mind, to make them work, you will need to activate them right here at the bottom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.